how to fix WhatsApp link device not working. Here are some simple solutions you can try. First, open WhatsApp on your primary phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Now tap Linked Devices. Find the device that's having the problem. Tap on that linked device. Now tap Log Out to remove the device. Once you've logged out, try to link the device again. If the problem continues, check the date and time on your primary phone. Open your phone's settings. Go to Date and Time. Make sure Automatic Date and Time is turned on. Now try using your WhatsApp linked device again. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it temporarily. Then check if the linked device is working properly. If the problem still continues, try reinstalling WhatsApp on your primary phone. Download the latest version of WhatsApp and sign into your account again. Then try linking your device once more. That's it. These are some simple ways to fix WhatsApp linked devices not working. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.